Hey, what's up guys? I hope you're doing great. Okay, so I'm back again with a new video, and as the video title says, that's what we are going to do today. So I'm going to show you how you can create a YouTube intro video, and there's not just only YouTube. You can also use the same method to create a brand intro. Okay, it's not about only YouTube, it's about whether you have a brand that sells products or whatever that you are into. You can use the same method or the same platform to create intro video. Okay, and in case you don't know, you should have an intro for your brand or YouTube channel, because the intro video gives your audience or your viewers idea about what you are into. So it's really important you have one. Okay, so this video is going to be helpful not to only YouTubers, but those who want to have a brand intro. Okay, so if today is your first time watching my video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, because there are more content like this coming up, and trust me, you're going to enjoy it. So show some love and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell, because that is also very important. You get notification whenever I drop a new video. Okay, so that is what the bell actually there for. Okay, so aside from that, make sure you like my video, and if you have any problem concerning my videos which you think you want me to help, okay, I'm here to help. Don't forget to do comments on the video so that I get to know what is actually bothering you. And if you don't comment, I don't get to know whether it worked or it didn't work for you, whether you were able to create or you couldn't create it. So it's very important you comment on the comment section. And also, like I said, do not skip this video if you want to understand how it actually works. This is a step-by-step tutorial. If you skip, you miss a step, and that's gonna affect you a lot, and you won't be able to do it. So stay tuned.
I told you I have the best job for you. Will you be interested? A once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to earn more than you could spend. All you need is 50 Ghana cedis and a smartphone to be part of this great opportunity. You will stand the chance to go home with plasma TV, smartphones, laptops, foodstuffs and expensive cars. And also enjoy a luxury vacation around the world. Contact us now to be part of this great opportunity.
Okay, welcome back again guys. So I need you to go to your browser, okay, and search for Render Forest. Okay, I know most of you have heard about it. So search for renderforest.com. okay, then you go to their website. Okay, so those who don't know much about renderforest.com, renderforest.com is a platform where you can use to create a logo, also create or build a website, okay, and also make intro videos. Not just, they are into all in one branding platform, which means anything concerning a brand that you want to build, you can use their platform to build it. Even if you want to make a cartoon videos or cartoon story or a video presentation, you can use their platform to do that. Okay, so now let's go ahead and start with what we came here to do. So as you can see, it says make a logo, create video, build a website, graphic design, that is design graphics. Okay, but one thing about this platform is that it's not free. You have to pay money for it. But with this tutorial, you are going to get everything free for here, okay, with the method that I have. Okay, so make sure you follow me to know how you can do that. But before we continue, make sure you log in, or if you don't have account, just create account. So let's go ahead then for me to log in. Okay, so now you can log in if you have account. If you don't have account, just click on sign up. Okay, so I'll go ahead, I've created my account, so I'll just go ahead and log in, then you sign in. Okay, so I've signed in. Now let's go ahead and create our intro. Okay, so now you go to Explore. Okay, and if you go to Explore, we have video animation, video inspiration, YouTube intro maker. Okay, so we are here for YouTube intro maker. Okay, and we are going to, you can use this platform for so many things concerning branding. Okay, website logo, YouTube logo, anything. You can use this platform to do it, but it's a paid service. Okay, so with the method that I'm about to show you, you can somehow get it for free. and create your video and remove their logo or their watermark from it. So let's go to YouTube intro maker. Okay, so create your intro, but we will go ahead and go through the template that they have in here. So let's select the first one, which is minimal reveals. Okay, so the minimal logo reveals, this is how it looks like. So you just go through the template that you see over here, then you select the one that you want. Okay, so let me go ahead and select this one. Okay, so you click on it, and now let's look at sample. Okay, let's watch how it looks like. Okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and create it now. So we now know how it looks like. Okay, and I think I like it, so I'll go ahead. Okay, so it says not a professional, in case you have not done this before and you want them to guide you. Okay, you can click on guide me, but I've been using it, and if you follow me you will not need to click on guide me. So let's click on no thanks. Okay, so now as you can see here, you need to add your logo. Okay, you need to add your logo. So the first one, you click on your logo here, you click on it, then you select upload. Okay, the upload will take you to your phone gallery, then you select the one that you want to use. Okay, so okay, let me select my logo over here. Okay, so processing. Okay, so now here's my logo, and I want it to fit really well, so let's increase the scale. Okay, let's increase it. Okay, then you try to position it, increase it more. Okay, so I think it really fit well, so let's click on done. Okay, so now it's processing. Okay, so as you can see over here, it says type your text here, but I don't have anything that I want to type, so I'll just leave it blank. But if you have something, you can just add a text. Okay, you can add a text. Okay, but let's go ahead to the next level. So as you can see where the arrow is pointing, you click there. Okay, so the next one wants you to choose the overall look, how you want it to look like. As you can see, all of them have the way the animation moves or how it end up moving. So I'll go ahead and select the second one. Okay, I think I like the second one. So I'll click on the second one. Now you go to the next one where the arrow is pointing, you go there. Okay, so here we can change the colors of the background. Okay, so as you can see, they have sample over here. They have sample of the colors that you can choose. Okay, they have already done it for you, they have mixed it, and you can just select any of them. Okay, but I want to customize my own colors, I want to add my own colors, so you go to custom colors. Okay, so the first one, as you can see, the color, okay, is the gradient, the shape one. Okay, so you just click on it, you can change it to any color that you want. You select, I want it to be in black, so I'll select black. Then the gradient shape 2, I also select black. Okay, I'll make it black. Okay, now I want to change the text color. Okay, so the text color, I want to make it white. Okay, so I've made it white. Okay, now let's go to the music, that is the fourth one where the arrow is pointing. Okay, the music, I think you can change or add a voice over. Okay, you can record your voice and add it, or you can add music, okay, from the project, anything that you want to add, or you can just use the music that they added themselves. Okay, I'm not going to change the music, I'm not going to change anything. So you go to the next one. Okay, so now we have gotten to where we can save. Okay, so they have free preview, or you either select the HD export, and the HD export, it comes with no watermark. Okay, and you can get in HD version, but you have to pay for it. It's not free. Okay, so right now we don't want to pay, so we click on free preview, okay, which comes with Watermark. Okay, so after we're done, I'll show you how you can remove the watermark from the video. Okay, so now we have to wait for the video to do what? Finish loading. Okay, so that we can get our intro video. This is so easy, very simple to do, and I hope you follow my video, following the steps, so that you get to do it on your own without any troubles. Okay, so it's exporting. As you can see, 13%, it goes up each minute, 8 seconds. So let's wait for it to load. Okay, so our video is now ready. So let's just play and see how it looks like. Okay, so as you can see, our video is now ready. So go ahead and click where the arrow is pointing so that you can save, or you just click on it to download the video. Okay, do you want to download? Click on done. Okay, so now we have downloaded the video with the watermark. Okay, so as you can see over here. Okay, so our video is now ready. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and remove the watermark. Okay, but the watermark remover is not going to be on this video. It's going to be on my next video. Okay, so that I don't make this a long video for you. Okay, so make sure you watch the next video that I'm about to drop. Okay, which shows you how you can remove the watermark from the video. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. Stay blessed.